Alright, so this is the road that goes straight down to the pier in Chinatown. We're going to get on the boat. It seems pretty busy down here. There's a lot of little markets and stuff along here. And see these streets up here, they just go for miles just in every direction with different markets. Yuli's right in her element here, aren't you, darling? Huh? You see every street's just markets, you know. And this is the whole area for a few square kilometres around Chinatown. Is just all markets. That's what I need for Songkran. Look, big water blaster. Because Songkran's a big water festival's coming up. Everyone's going to have one of these just squirting everyone in the streets. So before we head down to Pattaya, well, it's even a bigger one. Look, holds more water. All right, we'll come back before Songkran. Let's keep. So there's more or less just a shop for everything. Look, this is just a sticker shop, sells all stickers, and then there's shoe shops, and there's, you know, container shops like Tupperware shops. There's a shop more or less for everything. You know, a little hardware store. This is a bag shop. Nicks and Nacks. Everything 10 baht in the whole shop. That's so damn cheap, 50 cents each for everything. Normal tours. Okay, so this is the dock here where you get all the boats each way up the river. You got to watch it because there's a lot of different things. They're trying to charge you a couple of 100 baht for tours on the river when really it's only like 40 baht to get on the boat. So you got to watch it for the scams around those places and just buy the right coloured ticket. You know, you can actually get on the boat and pay when you're on the boat. So this is what we got. We got 2 blue tourist boat, 150 baht, which is about $7 or something, and you just get on and off whenever you want. So, and they give you a little booklet with times and what time it's coming and all that sort of stuff. So, and a little guide to, you know, what to see and that up the river. So, when we get on the boat, we'll check that out. So this is the smart ferry. These are electric. These big things. We probably should have got on one of these. They're air conditioned and everything inside as well. Okay, so this is our boat, the blue tourist boat. As you can see, it just pulls in very quickly. It's up to you, just hop on. So you just got to wait for everyone to get off. Yeah. Right. All right. Okay, she wants to sit upstairs where it'll be really hot. But anyway, we'll just check it out. Now the tourist boats, the blue ones, are a little bit slower. But yeah, it's a more comfortable ride. So you see this big white boat over here, the dinner cruises. They do sunset cruises and dinner cruises. We might do one of them one night. The Pratunam Bridge. So you got 2 bridges you go under here, and at high tide it gets a bit sketchy going under that one. You see these long tail boats have got like big car motors. They actually got diesel truck motors and Hilux motors and that. This might be the Grand Palace across the road, I'm not sure. Okay, so we've moved downstairs. It was too hot up there on the top. She's scared to get brown, so... And I think this might be the fort over here. You see the cannons and that, the guns all along the edge there. Alright, so it's all quick, on and off. And that's it, we're here at Wat Arun. I'm going to check it out. Overnight it's really good because it's basically got lights and it actually looks gold and it really does stand out beautifully. So we're pretty hungry. I think you've got to pay like 200 bahts to come in here and have a look around. So, very beautiful. See how people get dressed up in their traditional dress. Come and take photos in here at the temple. So you just buy a ticket here. It's 200 baht per person. I think Thais are free. Okay, so you give me a ticket, they stamp it, and you get a free water on the way in. Very good. I said, Thai's free, yeah, and pointed at you and they just waved her through. Anyway, we're going to get over close to it. You've got to go in through the gates here. Let's go check out the park over here first. Look. Right, it's a nice little yard here. All little bonsai sort of trees everywhere. Very nice. Just check out these temples, unreal. There's a big one at the back and this little one at the front. And the gardens are immaculate. They're beautiful. Okay, so you can walk through these little walkway, and looks like there's a lot of people here in their traditional dress, taking the photos. Okay, check this out. How amazing are these temples, eh? It really is nice. You can see it just goes all the way down around the outside, both sides. Looks like they've got all the Buddha statues covered up for some reason. Look at this down here, look at the pillars and that. It's all like in mosaics and little mirrors and stuff all over it in gold. Very beautiful. And then all the way around the whole thing there's these gold Buddhas. Okay, so this is the main temple, Wat Arun. It's absolutely massive. We'll go for a walk around inside. The light's not real good from here to film it. Wow, just check out how big this thing is. It's got to be at least 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, probably 70 or 80 metres high, I suppose. And you can see how it's done. It's done out all like mosaic, all little tiles and stuff just stuck into the concrete. All little shapes and patterns. It's absolutely massive. How they built this so many years ago, I just don't know. Alright, so that's it, Wat Arun. Another night time, it is amazing because it's got all lights on it. It just looks like it's gold from the river. So anyway, now we're going to get back on the boat and keep moving. Okay, so here comes our boat, the blue tourist boat. And we're going to hop on this and head up to, what's the name of the markets? Wang Lang Markets. Okay, so bye blue boat. So we're just going to go into the big markets here, check it out, get something to eat, and then move on to maybe Khao San Road. Alright, this is what Yuli wants. It's different types of noodles with different types of curries. So and then it's just basic, same old street food everywhere. Well, it's just markets. Really the same. It doesn't matter where you go in Asia. Very, very similar style markets, you know. So, to me it's boring because I've just seen them all a million times. You gonna get some? Now these are good. These are like the banana rotis on it. Like little martabak. See, and they put some sweet milk on it. Alright, I'm going to get back on this boat. At least when you move and there's a nice breeze. 5-star chicken. Really good. They're pretty big actually. They're like 20 baht, aren't they? Like $1 each. Pretty good. So here's our boat, the blue boat. So we're going to get on this now. Head up towards Khao San Road. Alright, on we get. It's just starting to rain and it doesn't look like it's a real big cloud, so it should pass pretty quickly. Okay, so this is the one you get off to go to Khao San Road. So we're just going to walk down through to Khao San Road and check it out. Seems very quiet through here, so we're just taking a shortcut through these little laneways. I think the first few times I ever come to Thailand, like back in the late 80s or 90s, early 90s, yeah. This used to be the main area where everyone stayed. It was real backward, like $1 a night rooms and full of drugs, and it was a pretty wild place back then. But now it's come a little bit more trendy, and overnight there's all parties in the streets and music going and stuff, and little coffee shops and that everywhere. It's really changed over the years to a real tourist area. Alright, so we found a little cafe which is good. It's got fans nearly at every table, so Madame Monsieur. Just going to have something to eat and then get back on the boat. Okay, so that was pretty good little feed really. It was 530 baht, about $25 Australian. So yeah. Back on again for the last trip. We're just going to cruise all the way back down to Chinatown, get off there and go back home. Okay, so I hope you like that, just showing you a little bit of the Chao Praya River in Bangkok. Yeah, I'm using the Blue Line tourist boat. It's very good, 150 baht. It's about, I don't know, $7 Australian. And you just stop anywhere you want and get off for as long as you want. They go all day, starts at 9, finishes at 7 at night. And yeah. Very good. So if you like the video, you know the drill, thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and see you on the next video.